the name of the chapter is, dear students, hello, myself Bhagya sir. The name of the chapter which is running in organic chemistry section, that is alkene. You know that how alkene is to be constructed, what type of nature of carbon is present in alkene, what type of hybridization is present in carbon. Carbon-carbon double bond is there, then sp2 hybridization is there, and what is nomenclature of alkene, what is common name, what is IUPAC name, etc. Today's point is some type of groups get derived with respect to that alkene part. Groups derived, functional groups derived, FG derived, special function group which is to be derived known as alkenyl group. Alkenyl group. Alkenyl group. Alkenyl group, that is ethynyl, vinyl, ethynyl, vinyl group, allyl group. So many functional groups are there. Vinyl group, allyl group. General name of this group which is alkenyl group. Suppose I am drawing a structure CH2 double bond CH2. It is ethene. And when one H of this carbon get removed, means the free valency which is to be formed, CH2 double bond CH bond. Such type of group is ethynyl group or vinyl group. Ethynyl or vinyl group. Vinyl group means with respect to that name of alkene, such type of groups which is to be derived, and these groups are very important groups which helps to nomenclature, which helps to nominate such type of alkene, such type of organic compounds. Then if CH3 CH2 bond CH3, it is CH double bond CH2, CH3CH double bond CH2. What is the name of this? 1, 2, 3, propene. One hydrogen get removed from this side, CH2 bond, CH double bond CH2, it is propenyl group or allyl group. Propenyl group, ethynyl, propenyl or allyl group. So many types of alkenyl groups get derived. It is a simple part, okay, right. Yes, alkylidene group is the second group, alkylidene group. This alkylidene group means what? These valencies, these two valencies is part of double bond. It is to be derived when two hydrogens get removed. When these two hydrogens get removed, such type of alkene, this group is ethylidene group. This group is propylidene group. This group is isopropylidene, ethylidene group, propylidene, propylidene group, propylidene group, propylidene, इथिलिडीन, यस चलेगा, ये भी चलेगा. आइसोप्रोपिलीन, आइसोप्रोपिलिडीन, isopropylidene group means such type of different types of groups which are derived from alkene. It means double bonded carbon, here double bonded carbon get removed, double bonded part, free valencies are the part of double bond, free valencies part of double bond, free valencies part of double bond. Such type of alkylidene group which is to be formed. Alkylidene, you know that CH2Cl and Cl, two halogen atoms are attached to the same carbon atom. It is methylidene dichloride, vicinal dihalide, and it is a type of geminal dihalide and vicinal dihalide. It is geminal dihalide. Such type of geminal dihalide is also related with the name related with ylidene, and same type of nomenclature, same type of functional group. Ethylidene, propylidene, isopropylidene, it is also important. With respect to this, we can solve any type of example, we can derive any type of name of the organic compound, that is alkene. Okay. The next part, after deriving the group, next part is isomerism of alkenes. Isomerism. You know that what is isomerism? Isomerism of alkene. जब भी आपको isomerism related with isomers, and merism is the phenomenon, formation of isomer फॉर्म करने के जो अलग अलग तरीके हैं उसको मेरिज्म बोलते हैं आप. तो आइसोमर्स बोलते हो सेम मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला बट डिफरेंट अरेंजमेंट ऑफ एटम्स, different structural formula also. Same molecular formula, any organic compound having same molecular formula but different arrangement of atoms, different arrangement of branch, different arrangement of functional group, different arrangement of chain, different arrangement of rotation. So many type of arrangements are there. अलग अलग अरेंजमेंट वहाँ पे आएगा ना तो उसको आइसोमर्स बोलोगे आप. और द फेनोमेनॉन इज नोन एज आइसोमेरिज्म. In this organic compound, isomerism is very important. With respect to same molecular formula, we can draw different type of structures. The different type of structures with respect to their rotation nature, with respect to their different arrangement of chain, with respect to their different arrangement of that position of functional group, with respect to arrangement of so many branches which is to be formed by organic compound. Yes, we will take an example. Isomerism, same molecular formula but different arrangement of atoms, different structural formula. First isomerism, it is position isomerism. Position isomerism. पोजीशन आइसोमेरिज्म, नाम में आपको लगेगा पोजीशन आइसोमेरिज्म, नाम जैसा आप बोलते हो डबल बॉन्डेड फॉर्म इज द मेन फंक्शन ग्रुप, द पोजीशन ऑफ फंक्शन ग्रुप चेंजेस. सपोज कार्बन नंबर 1, कार्बन नंबर 2, कार्बन नंबर 3, कार्बन नंबर 4, position of double bond is here in between 1 and 2, 3, 4, it is butene, but 1-ene. Its molecular formula, it means that C4H8 is the molecular formula. 3 hydrogens are there here, 2 hydrogens are there, 1, 2, 3 or 2, 5, 6 hydrogen, 7th hydrogen, 8th hydrogen. It is the structure of but1ene. Having same molecular formula, when we change the position of double bond in between 1 and 2, with respect to 1 and 2 shifted towards 2 and 3. यहाँ से भी आओगे तो 1 2 3 होगा, यहाँ से भी जाओगे तो 1 2 3 होगा, ठीक है। फिर ये कैसा होगा, फिर C बॉन्ड C, डबल बॉन्ड C, बॉन्ड C, मिडल पार्ट, it is but 2ene, but 2ene. 3 hydrogens are here, 3 hydrogens are here, 3 and 3 6, 1 hydrogen, 8 hydrogens. C4H8, molecular formula C4H8 is same, but with respect to position of double bond, the structure is different. These are isomer number 1, isomer number 2, and the phenomenon of formation of isomers is known as isomerism, position isomerism. आप पोजीशन चेंज करते रहो, नॉमेनक्लेचर बदल जाएगा। आप डबल बॉन्ड का पोजीशन आहिस्ता आहिस्ता चेंज करो अगर पॉसिबल है तो, नहीं तो नहीं चेंज कर सकते। आप यहाँ पर ले जाओगे तो यही नाम होगा, रिपीटेडली ये यहाँ पर लेके जाओगे तो 2 ही आइसोमर्स पॉसिबल होंगे इसमें। एक तो 2 3 में डबल बॉन्ड होगा या 1 2 में होगा। 1 2 इधर लोगे तो ये यहाँ से 1 2 होगा, यहाँ से नहीं, है ना। 1 ये डबल बॉन्ड यहाँ शिफ्ट करोगे तो 1 2 मीन्स नंबरिंग स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम डबल बॉन्ड विच इज नियरर दैट एंड इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। ओके पोजीशन आइसोमेरिज्म, ठीक है। आफ्टर पोजीशन आइसोमेरिज्म we are going towards next isomerism of alkene. Next isomerism is chain isomerism. Position isomerism. After this position isomerism, chain isomerism. Chain isomerism means, suppose again you take the structure CH3 bond CH2 bond CH double bond CH2, but1ene, molecular formula वही है C4H8, 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6, 2 hydrogen, 8 hydrogens are there. When we change the structure, it means this is straight chain butene, it is straight chain butene, it changes to branched chain. Branched chain, what is CH3 bond C bond CH3 double bond 3 तो हो गए, double bond CH2, 3 plus 3 6 plus 2 8 hydrogen 3 carbon. Double bond arrangement is different, no, double bond is in between first and second, but the branch of CH3 which is to be connected, branch of CH3 is connected. This is carbon number 1, this is carbon number 2. 2-methyl is a prefix, 2-methyl is the prefix. Then root word is but, prop, root word is a prop 1ene, prop 1ene, first and second में डबल बॉन्ड, सेकंड पे मिथाइल, फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड में डबल बॉन्ड तो 1ene, फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड में डबल बॉन्ड तो 1ene, सेकंड पे CH3 की ब्रांच तो इट इज प्रेफिक्स, इट इज वर्ड रूट, उसके बाद रहा तो सफिक्स आएगा। ये जो है ना PWS पब्लिक वर्क सेक्शन, प्रेफिक्स वर्ड रूट सफिक्स, ये है उसका नॉमेनक्लेचर। इट इज अ चेन आइसोमेरिज्म। different types of examples are there. You must observe and study such type of isomerism, how it is possible to draw different types of structures. Write down. Yes, after this we can conclude next isomerism. Next isomerism is important isomerism with respect to organic chemistry or any type of other inorganic chemistry also. It is geometrical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism is an important isomerism. It means that suppose carbon double bond carbon, it is assume that it is a structural part, center part. Toward this side one X group is there. Toward this side one X group is there. Toward this side one Y group is there. Toward this side one Y group is there. Means dividing this, same substituents are same side, same substituents are present on the same side. Means Y substituent lie on the same side, X substituent lie on the same side. This type of arrangement is known as cis arrangement. Cis arrangement, or you can write such type of C double bond C, CH3 and CH3. Okay, CH3, H and H. It means that CH3 double bond, same side is there. Double bonded part, suppose here Y and here X. Not like this. Double bonded part, towards this side of the double bond, two Y, same Y substituents are there, and towards this side same X substituents are there. Means XX lie on the double bond side, this side of the double bond, YY lie this side of the, एक डबल बॉन्ड के एक साइड में सेम है, डबल बॉन्ड के एक साइड में सेम है, डबल बॉन्ड के एक साइड में सेम है, डबल बॉन्ड के एक साइड में सेम है. फिर ये चेंज हो गया, रोटेट हो गए, समझो ये इट इज़ टू बी रोटेटेड लाइक दिस. एक रोटेट हो गया, ये एक CH3 नीचे आ गया, ये ऊपर चले गया, CH3H ये जैसे का तैसा है. इसको बोलोगे आप ट्रांस. अपोजिट साइड में डबल बॉन्ड के अपोजिट साइड में सेम सब्स्टिट्यूएंट्स निकल जाएंगे. H अपोजिट साइड ऑफ द डबल बॉन्ड, CH3 अपोजिट साइड ऑफ द डबल बॉन्ड. It means such type of cis arrangement, cis but 2 in, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, cis but 2 in, 1 2 3 4, trans but 2 in, these are the arrangement. डबल बॉन्डेड पार्ट के ए साइड में सेम है, ए साइड में सेम है, तो किसी साइड में अगर सेम आएंगे YY XX, ये साइड में XYY और इस साइड में XX, CH3 means cis but 2 in, this is trans but 2 in. Such type of compound is polar compound, and such type of compound is non-polar compound. Non-polar, it is a polar, it is a non-polar, polar and non-polar. Its boiling point is 277 Kelvin. Polar means there must be a type of force of attraction. Force of attraction is there and strongly bonded with respect to each other. When it is strongly bonded to each other, more amount of energy is required to boil this, 277, and boiling point decreases, boiling point is 274 Kelvin. आपको पूछेंगे cis alkene, trans alkene, boiling point of cis alkene and boiling point of trans alkene. These are the arrangements, nomenclature, group formation period. How this isomerism, not nomenclature, isomerism, then how isomers are formed, what type of isomerism present in alkene, etc. It is the period. Okay, note this. After this part, geometrical isomerism which affects on polarity and non-polarity of the part, which affects on boiling point. Boiling point of cis isomer is greater, cis compound having more boiling point than trans compound. Cis compound and trans compound. After this cis and trans part, next important part, I am now coming towards ending part of the video. I am starting some type of different topic, different part, that is preparation of alkene. Preparation of alkene. Preparation of alkene. It is preparation part. In this preparation of alkene, by using Lindlar's catalyst. Lindlar's catalyst. This is Lindlar's catalyst. Lindlar's catalyst means palladium, carbon. Carbon and palladium part. Lindlar's catalyst. H2. H2 reacts with H2. H2 important part, it is used for reduction, and on the arrow Lindlar's catalyst palladium, which is one of the catalyst. Lindlar's catalyst, reduction takes place. किसका reduction करोगे आप? Reduction of RC triple bond C R dash. Alkyne, any type of alkyne. Alkyne on reduction with respect to Lindlar's catalyst gives alkene. Main aim is from alkyne, preparation from alkyne by Lindlar's catalyst, PDC. Lindlar's catalyst, addition of hydrogen across the triple bond. एक हाइड्रोजन यहाँ पर ऐड होगा, एक हाइड्रोजन यहाँ पर ऐड होगा, ये कार्बन पे और ये कार्बन पे, तो ये होगा R CH double bond CHR dash. Different types of alkyl groups are there. Such type of, by using such type of Lindlar's catalyst, cis alkene which is to be formed. Cis alkene is formed. Cis alkene, by using such type of catalyst, cis alkene, it means similar groups are similar side of the double bond, similar groups are there. It is cis alkene. Example, you take this CH3 bond C triple bond C bond CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the name of this? Dimethyl acetylene. Dimethyl acetylene, or 1, 2, 3, 4 but 2-an. But 2-an is the name of alkyne, and reduction plus H2 plus H2. Suppose we are taking different types of alkyl radicals. if यहाँ पे आप C2H5 लोगे तो सिस और ट्रांस समझेगा आपको, नहीं तो सिस एंड ट्रांस समझेगा नहीं. ये 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 पेंट, वर्ड रूट चेंज हो जाएगा, पेंट. पेंट टू एन H2 PD, addition of H2 which is to be attached on that PD, adsorbed on the PD. Lindlar's catalyst palladium, it gives C, then CH3 double bond C, C2H5 H चलेगा. R डैश हमने लिया था, तो R और R या R डैश वन साइड होंगे. CH3 C2H5, two alkyl groups are one side, these two similar hydrogens are one side, so it is cis structure. Hydrogens are similar, So with respect to this we can say that it is cis structure. By this Linder's catalyst, cis structure is to be formed. Okay, we will continue next preparation how trans alkene which is to be formed, which type of catalyst is used for trans alkene. It is the next part of the chapter. Okay, thank you. पढ़ते रहो. Myself Bhange sir, Parmani.